Hey, yo, Billy, you still paranoid?
What the fuck?
What's good, y'all?
Billy, what the fuck happened?
Well, since we had to stay indoors due to the coronavirus, I started becoming more responsible human being. I started working out and reading books.
Fuck that! How'd you turn white?
Oh, I was washing my hands every minute each day.
Bro, this corona shit is changing you. You gotta go back to your old self right now.
No, I'm better than I ever was before. I'm never going back.
Look at this yummy, delicious body I got now, bitch. I'm finna fuck some bitches.
No, Billy, I order you to remain a virgin.
Fuck me then, bitch.
That's it, Billy. I'm fucking you by force.
He's gay.
Oh, you gonna rape me? Heh, good luck finding my hole.
Oh, shit.
How do you feel? Billy, me on the bottom, you bitch. How does it feel? You did this to me. You did this to me. You did this to me.
Sorry, I had something in my throat. What?
You tornado twisty! Tornado twisty! Tornado twisty! Tornado twisty! Tornado twisty! Tornado twisty! Quick, Rufus, cough on him!
Okay.
Wait, did you say Levi?
Hey, Levi, what's up, man?
Hey, Levi, put that down. Hey, yo, put that down, Levi. Hey, Levi. Hey, put that down, Levi. Levi, put that down. Hey, Levi. Levi, put that down. Hey, yo, put that shit down, Levi. Hey, Levi, relax. Relax. It's a joke. Relax, my nigga. Relax. Levi. Relax. Levi.